Can you imagine this? Milk cake is keto, gluten-free and sugar-free. Let's check out the recipe in the Sugar Swap kitchen. Let's go! The best one is to take an iron kadai or a ceramic one and add a cup of water to it, and then I'm adding Khoya to it. You can get it from easily from the market. It has to be sugar free, just make sure that. And of course, you can make it at home also with milk powder, or if you are a vegan you can also make it with the coconut milk powder also. Here for the sweetener, I'm adding Sugar Swap's Xylitol, which is the best sweetener for Indian sweets especially. You can also add a bit of stevia and erythritol. Also add a pinch of salt. It didn't get recorded. And the last ingredient which goes into this is the cardamom powder for the flavoring, of course. And just you have to be, you have to have some patience for this because it takes a while, at least 10 minutes, depending on the quantity of the milk cake you are making. It takes 10 minutes to get to this texture. It has to be grainy and all the moisture is supposed to be gone out from the Khoya. And now all that's left is to spread it in a mold, butter paper in a glass bowl, and put some diced almonds and just press them and keep it in the refrigerator if you are in a hurry, or just let it cool down and cut it into pieces, or you cut it into desired shapes, and it's ready to be served. And it's yummy too. You have to try this, guys, and let me know how you like that, because this is one of the best sweets I have ever made on keto, and I've enjoyed every bit of having it. So if you have loved this recipe or made it or tried it, do let me know in the comment section. And please do drop a heart if you love the video, and of course like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye. Happy sugar swapping.